Did you know that the percentage of women in the workforce in India has sharply declined over the last 15 years? Did you know that in the Global Gender Gap Index, India ranks fourth from the bottom in a list of 153 countries in terms of economic participation and empowerment of women? This is actually a $1 trillion opportunity for India. I am Mathura Dasgupta Sinha, founder and CEO of Aspire for Her. At Aspire for Her, we have the vision to add more than 1 million women to the workforce by 2025 and unleash the $1 trillion opportunity in front of India. Our mission is to motivate women to enter and stay in the workforce by using the power of networks and communities that give and take. We are working with mentors and role models, career previews, learning opportunities, webinars, blogs, corporate interactions, jobs and entrepreneurship opportunities, and of course, a wonderful, supportive peer community.
I believe this platform is much needed in today's corporate world, which looks to seek diversity, and institutions which seek employability. Mathura and this platform is passionate about not just identifying women talent for the workforce, but nurturing them, skilling them, reskilling them, and upskilling them so that they not just enter the workforce, but stay in it and have the ability to re-enter.
Our journey in the last 1 year has been fascinating. We have built a community of 30,000 members, mentors, and supporters across 60 different countries. We have partnered with companies like IBM, Barclays, Cisco, LinkedIn, Standard Chartered, and many others. We were featured by national television, by CNBC, and by We the People on NDTV. Our most comprehensive research report, Women at Work, was published a few days back. To a wide coverage by all sections of the media, with more than 10,000 nudges and triggers across the year, our platform has provided 200 plus corporate interactions, webinars, career previews, and more than 200 1:1 mentorship sessions to our members. We launched the world's first ever Women in BankTech network in an event attended by the leading lights of the industry. A few days back, we launched the Return to Work network for women who were looking to get back into the workforce after a break or a job loss. But the biggest highlight for us has been the everyday success stories that we hear from our members.
For me, success is about getting into the workforce after 22 years. Thank you so much, Aspire for Her.
Out of a large base of 60 million women in urban India who have graduated high school, we are looking at attracting 1 million women to Aspire for Her by 2025 into employment and entrepreneurship. Our revenue model is B2B, and we are looking at partnering with organizations which are forward-looking and diversity-focused as they look at attracting, recruiting, and retaining women in the workforce. We invite you to be a part of our journey.